Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $7,800, powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this truck offers a clean and cohesive look that highlights its vintage character. The C10 features a brand new rebuilt 354-bolt main engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. It is equipped with headers and a brand new dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers and chrome tips, giving it a deep, aggressive sound. The truck rides on striking 24-inch wheels and includes tinted windows, a sliding rear window, and a functioning heater for added comfort. The exterior showcases a nice natural patina, with some clear coat fading and minor rust spots that add to its authentic, classic appeal. Overall, the truck runs good and sounds great, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a vintage Chevy with character and performance upgrades. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and upgraded with a Hurst shifter, offering a more engaging and responsive driving experience. As a gasoline-powered truck, it delivers solid performance while maintaining the reliability expected from a classic Chevrolet pickup. Although the exact mileage is unknown, it has been maintained to run strong and sound great on the road. The truck features an eye-catching black and gold paint job that complements its clean, rust-free body. Inside, the tan interior has been well cared for and remains in good condition, reflecting overall pride of ownership. With many new parts recently installed, this 1988 Chevrolet 1500 stands out as a reliable and stylish daily driver, combining classic appeal with dependable functionality. Number 3. 1990 GMC 1500, price $10,000, showing 128,850 miles. This truck has been carefully maintained and remains in great running and driving condition. It is powered by a dependable 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and the strong, reliable feel these trucks are known for. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, this Silverado presents itself with a bold and cohesive look. The paint maintains a nice shine, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Inside, the cabin is well kept, with the red interior remaining in impressive condition, showing pride of ownership. The seats, dash, and trim all reflect consistent upkeep. As a short wheelbase model, it offers a sportier stance and desirable proportions that make it especially appealing to collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. 1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. It has traveled 163,000 miles and is paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Powered by a strong 454 gasoline engine, it delivers the kind of performance and durability these trucks are known for. This example features a distinctive teal and silver exterior complemented by a green interior, giving it a unique and classic appearance that continues to turn heads. As a Florida truck, it has benefited from a favorable climate, contributing to its impressive condition for a 30-year-old vehicle. It comes equipped with a topper, adding both practicality and style. The truck sits on 6 brand new tires with less than 100 miles on them, ensuring it is road-ready and providing peace of mind for its next owner. Number 5. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 190,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck continues to run and drive great, delivering plenty of power and reliability. Finished in a beige exterior with a matching beige interior, the truck presents a clean cabin and a solid body. It features a 6-inch rough country suspension lift, fuel wheels, and like new Falcon tires, giving it an aggressive stance while maintaining a smooth and confident ride. The drivetrain is dependable, and the vehicle has been well cared for over the years. Whether used as a daily driver or a weekend truck, this Chevrolet 1500 is clean, strong running, and ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, 2WD long wheelbase pickup that stands out for being 100% rust-free and showing just 74,000 original miles. The body is solid and well preserved, making it a great foundation for someone looking for a clean classic truck. While the current engine is not in running condition, the sale includes a good low-mileage replacement motor, adding significant value and making it an ideal candidate for an engine swap. Inside, the truck has been well maintained, featuring a clean interior with a crack-free dashboard, something increasingly rare for trucks of this era. The bed is also in good condition, further reflecting how well the vehicle has been cared for over the years. Number 7. 1992 Ford F150, price $5,950, well-preserved Texas truck with 200,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by the legendary 4.9L inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. This truck is described as a super rare, 100% rust-free Texas vehicle, a standout feature for its age. The exterior showcases a beautiful two-tone white and red finish, complemented by brand-new chrome grille and headlight bezels, while all existing chrome trim remains in excellent condition. Inside, it features a striking red interior that looks nearly new, including a red leather rear bench seat that adds to its classic appeal. The truck does have a check engine light on due to an EGR delete, but it continues to perform strongly. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, well-maintained full-size pickup showing 275,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 5.7-liter gasoline engine, paired with a capable 4x4 system that adds versatility for various driving conditions. Finished in a bold red exterior with a gray interior, the truck presents well for its age. This is a 3-door model rather than a standard 2-door, offering additional convenience and accessibility. The truck runs and drives good, reflecting consistent upkeep over the years. It remains clean inside and out, especially considering the model year, making it a solid and dependable choice for someone looking for a practical and affordable 4x4 pickup. Number 9. 1979 Ford F150, price $5,800, showing 117,000 miles. Powered by a strong 351M V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered truck delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. It comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, including a new master cylinder and brake booster, ensuring confident handling and stopping power. The factory air conditioning system is in working condition, adding to its comfort and drivability. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior over a black interior, the truck presents very well and maintains much of its original character. It runs great and has been kept in remarkably good overall condition for its age. While there is some rust present in the cab area, including the floors, the truck remains a very nice and honest example of a late 1970s F-150. Number 10. 1984 Dodge W250, price $3,000, with just 98,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 318 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, and features power steering, power disc brakes, tilt steering, and air conditioning. Finished in gray with a matching interior, this gasoline-powered truck runs, moves, and stops. However, it is being sold as a project vehicle. The truck has an electrical issue affecting the gauges and lights, and it has been sitting for quite some time. Although it has been brought back to running condition, the electrical problems still need to be addressed. The tires are in poor condition, and there is some rust and body filler present. The interior is in decent shape overall but would benefit from a thorough cleaning. The truck has a good title but will need to be trailered.